When you think of Valcourt, does window cleaning and waterproofing come to mind? Well, it's time you saw the whole picture. At Valcourt, we're more than window cleaning and waterproofing. We're building expertise on every level. Like pressure washing. It not only makes your building look great, but also gets rid of damaging contaminants. Come on, let's take a closer look. Hey, like my yellow jumpsuit? Pressure washing is dirty business. You know, a lot of people think pressure washing is just point and shoot, but if not done properly, you can actually damage your property more than you clean it. At Valcourt, we know all about the different types of surfaces around your property. And we know the different techniques, nozzles, and angles to clean each one without causing any damage. Gum can put your walkway in a sticky situation. It's almost impossible to remove. And while most companies only offer cold water pressure washing, at Valcourt, we use hot water solutions in certain situations. And that makes this gum disappear. When you're packing this much power, it can be dangerous to pressure wash your building's highest points. But we specialize in accessing high-rise locations. We're experts in elevated pressure washing, using environmentally friendly chemicals to avoid killing any plants below. So our crews are safe, and so is your property. With all this in mind, it's easy to see how Valcourt is building expertise on every level.